So, like I said, in order for me to check if I have virtual environment installed on my PC, um, so Python have um, a virtual environment library called virtual env, or and there is venv, I think. So, for me to check if this library is already installed together with my Python software, I'll do pip freeze. So when I type pip freeze in my command prompt, let's see what it's gonna show me. Mm, just hold on. Let's see. Most likely, okay, nothing. So let me do pip list. Um, so it might not show me anything because uh, okay, so it's just telling me that I have pip installed. That's all. So now it means I will need to add the virtual env. So I will do pip install. So you could do virtual env, or you could do venv. So I'm gonna install this and let's see what's gonna happen. um, it might take a little bit of time to, because you need the internet. So let's see what's gonna happen.